Today it's all about saucy githeri, that is maize or corn cooked with beans, and you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. I already have some parboiled githeri over here, so to get started I'm going to place a huge pot, this is a huge pot, over medium heat. Add some cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my meat. Let the meat sear in the oil for around 2 minutes until I have a lovely golden brown color. Check on my meat and stir and cook for another 2 minutes. When your meat has some lovely golden brown color, you're going to add in 1 large onion, garlic and ginger. Stir in the onions, garlic and ginger and cook for about 1 minute until everything is soft and fragrant. When everything is looking so delicious, you can see the meat is looking so delicious, I'm going to add in tomatoes, spices together with 2 seasoning cubes and tomato paste. Toss everything together. Just look at that. Add in some water. Cover and let this simmer for around 10 minutes until the meat is cooked through. Check on my pot and just look at my meat. At this point, it's looking very delicious. And you can tell everything is cooking perfectly because you have some oil on top of the beef. I'm going to give my pot a stir. At this point, I'm going to add in my githeri. Stir in the githeri. Once the githeri is fully coated with the delicious sauce, I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, at this point I'm going to check the seasoning. I need a little bit more salt, so I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt because I've already added 2 seasoning cubes and they contain salt, so I'm just perfecting the seasoning. Stir in. Cover and let this simmer on low for around 3 minutes. So you don't have to eat some boring githeri. You can try out adding some beef to your githeri and trust me, it will be totally worth it. Just look at my githeri. This looks absolutely delicious. So I'm going to give my githeri a stir and add in some green capsicum. The capsicum is going to add a lot of flavor. So I'm going to cover and cook for another minute because I love my capsicum crunchy. Check out my githeri, it's looking so good. So I'm going to add in some coriander to garnish. Turn off the heat and I'm ready to have my lunch. I definitely love adding warm spices to my food. Curry powder and cumin go so well together. This recipe is for about 3 people and it's just worth it. I hope you'll be trying out adding some beef to your githeri and definitely it will be a win.